Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, C.I.Y Reviews. Today I will be making a homemade version of cream of mushroom soup. Yes, y'all. And I like the stuff in the can, but I was like, let me make it myself. I have some mushrooms. I'm gonna make sure I clean it. And I'm also gonna put it in my food processor to make it smaller as well. I have salted butter. I have onion. I have it like diced and chopped, but I want it smaller than this. So I'm gonna put it also in my food processor. Onion Lipton soup mix. I'm gonna use like a little bit of that, half of that. I have my black pepper, pot liquor seasoning. You can use any type of seasoning. I have my complete Padilla seasoning, my heavy whipping cream. I also have chicken broth. I need to take that out, y'all. Garlic. The reason why I look like it's minced is because I had it in the freezer and then we take it out and get soft and everything. But yeah, I don't like minced garlic. But if you know you want to use it like that, go ahead. Who am I to stop you? A little bit of bomb vegetable oil and also some flour. A lot of people use some all purpose. I don't have that, so I'm gonna use what I got, which is surprising. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm gonna get started. Come over to the stove now on medium-high heat. I put a tablespoon of salted butter as well as a tablespoon of the cooking oil. I'm just gonna saute up my onions. Before I blitz it and everything, I'm gonna saute it first and then I'm gonna blitz it smaller. Okay, so after about a few minutes, this is how it looks, y'all. I have a tablespoon of the garlic and I'm gonna put that in here. It don't take long for garlic at all. I'm gonna take both of them off at the same time and I'm gonna let it cool down so I can get ready to blitz it. And I'm gonna start on my mushrooms. I don't think I'm gonna turn this off. I'm just let the residual heat, you know, do its thing. And I'm gonna let it cool. Okay, I pretty much just pulverize about 2 times because you don't want to overdo it. And I made it small. If you want to go as big, then you know, so be it, just do it 1 time, or even if you want to just use a knife to cut it, you can. Mine's kind of small. If you look at the regular cream, it's kind of small, and then yeah, I don't want no big chunks anyways. I took the onions and everything off. I still had grease in here, so I'm just keeping the grease in here to saute it. Now I had a little bit of leftover mushroom when I blitzed it. So what I did was use like half of the chicken broth to help it come up. So I'm gonna use this. Okay, so sauteing, y'all. It smells so good in here. I took the onions and everything and I also blended it up. It's not to the best, but it is what it is. I put my liquid in here. This is on medium heat now. Medium. It was on medium high first, so medium now. I'm gonna take like a tablespoon and a half of flour. Just mix that up. Alright, I'm gonna switch to a whisk. Okay, now I have the cup of the broth, and this is with the leftover onions as well as leftover mushrooms. I'm just gonna whisk it. Alright, I'm putting some of that Lipton soup. Is this like a tablespoon? I'm gonna use that pot liquor. About a tablespoon. A teaspoon of the complete seasoning. I'm gonna turn it up to medium high. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. I'm gonna turn it back down to medium, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my cream. If some people don't have cream, they have half and half. That's good too. They just have milk, whole milk probably, if anything, because you want it kind of creamy. I'm gonna start like with half a cup, really. I'm just go ahead and whisk it. Like it's creamy enough, like I don't need to add no more, but I just want to get just a little bit thicker. And no, not that like me. You feel me? Alright, I'm gonna turn this back up, because I did turn it back down to medium. I'm gonna turn it to just right above medium. Now I'll get back at you in a minute. Lord's will. Okay, it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna taste it. I don't think it's got thick enough, so I might have to put some more flour, like I make a flour slurry. Yeah, cause I want to be a little thicker than this. But I'm still gonna taste it to make sure. all the flavors there and everything. It's looking like it though. Taste it first. Oh no, y'all gotta blow it. I ain't telling where my tongue go. Smell good. The flavor's on point though. Okay, yeah, chili powder. Oh, and it's cayenne pepper from this pot liquor. It got a combination of different flavors, different spices, and those two are the spicy ones. And I added ground pepper, so I definitely tasted that. Do I want to taste a little bit more salt though? It's good though, but I'm trying to see, do I want to taste more salt? Now I just made like a little flour slurry with flour and water. I'm just gonna mix it real good. Just want to put a little bit more water than you do flour for your slurry. Alright, while it's warming up, I'm just gonna add the salt in here. Alright, let me taste it real quick. It did get a little thicker. So I'm gonna turn it off. So as long as I like the taste, the flavor and everything, I'm gonna turn it off and let it cool before I put it into a mason jar. Okay, this is good. I like how this tastes now. But yeah, this is it, y'all. Don't get me wrong, the can one is good when you're in a rush. But yeah, go ahead and make this simple and easy and delicious. Delicioso! Mushroom soup. I had to let it sit for a little bit. It's probably not cooled all the way down, but it's good enough. Now I'm gonna put it inside this jar. I have a funnel so I don't make no mess. Oh, I forgot this cabinet being away. Wait, bruh. Oh shoot, no. Don't waste that. I ain't got nothing to waste. I like this is all fit in here. Yeah, if you have another mason jar, you can avoid that. I don't, unfortunately. So this is pretty much all it's gonna fit in here. We'll find something to put that in there. That's y'all. All that yippity yapping. Put a lid on it. Yeah, I'm gonna do all that talking. So how delicious this is? Yes, it's hot. I'm gonna go ahead and store it. Put it in the refrigerator. That's y'all see it? Cream of mushroom, yes, from scratch, homemade, even better than a can. Go ahead and make this. Hit this recipe up. Y'all have a blessed day. Okay, this is the next day. I took it out the refrigerator. Should have left it off, sit for a little minute, but it should be okay. Just stir it up a little bit. See how much thicker it don't got? Ooh, yes. Do another taste test. It's good. Like I said, try this. Y'all blessed day.